Hello, this is Rosani. Welcome. Today I'm working on my Papier Mâché dragon. We're going to give him some color. Using crepe paper and craft tissue paper, mostly crepe paper in different colors. I'm using my favorite liquid starch, Stay Flow liquid starch in a blue bottle. It is my favorite liquid adhesive. Adding the liquid has to be done very gently in order not to dissolve the paper. Looks like he's beginning to show his spots. I'm almost there. I just have to work out the little details in these areas, work on the hands a little bit more and on the spots. So you can see where I've added them here with the Sharpie. This has been fun. As you can see, I really enjoy using this technique to color my dragon and so many other projects. It's just a whole lot of fun. If you're interested in this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up and stop by, say hi, or subscribe, and click the notification bell. I hope you'll check out my playlists. And as always, thank you for watching.